Your engine mounts have a big job. They support the weight of the engine and keep it securely attached to the chassis. Let's review some common causes of worn-out engine mounts. The most common causes of engine mount failure include wear and tear due to age, hidden damage from an accident or collision, exposure to corrosive fluids such as coolants or oils, erratic driving or hard braking that can lead to excessive engine movement, breakdown of the metals or rubbers due to extremely hot, cold, or salty environments, and modified suspensions that stiffen or put extra strain on engine mounts. It's best to identify engine mount failure before it becomes a bigger issue. Engine mount replacement is something you can do yourself with the right tools and a little know-how. The typical cost for OEM Toyota engine mounts is only a few $100s, and replacement can be done in a few hours' time. Follow the link in the description below for more information on Toyota engine mounts from Olathe Toyota Parts Center.